Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown. I'm back with a really quick video for you. You know, Nexus Rewards is a fun, easy, low cost, high profit potential business opportunity. I've got a quick question for you. Are you looking for a great home business or side hustle to begin? Well, you don't have to look any further. You know, sometimes when a person begins their own business, there is a sense of purpose that swells up within themselves. And we want to help people not only start their own businesses, but to build profitable, successful home businesses. And as I said, this is an easy business to build, okay? Obviously, anything that you do worthwhile is going to take some effort. Going to take a little time to put into it. But you know, the late, great Zig Ziglar said, "I believe success is achieved by ordinary people with extraordinary determination." How you like that guy in that picture there? Yeah, he's chilling, isn't he? Well, I'm going to leave a link to that video. And as you can see, it says, "See what Nexus SNAP can do for you." I'm going to leave a link to that video. And I would like you, if you're truly looking for a great home-based business, to check out that video. It's less than 5 minutes long. There you have it. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and amazing, wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.